Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bubble effect in After Effects. First, open After Effects and create a new composition, perhaps with a duration of 10 seconds. Add a new black solid layer to your timeline. Next, navigate to the Effects and Presets panel and search for CC Bubbles. Drag and drop this effect onto your black solid layer. You will immediately see bubbles appear, ready for customization. Now, let's refine the look of your bubbles. In the Effect Controls panel, locate the bubble amount parameter. A value of around 50 often works well for a moderate density. Adjust the size to make bubbles larger or smaller, perhaps between 5 and 15 pixels. The buoyancy setting controls how quickly bubbles rise. A value of 0.5 provides a gentle ascent. Experiment with these to achieve your desired aesthetic. To add depth, duplicate your bubble layer. On the bottom layer, apply a fast box blur effect with a radius of about 5 pixels to simulate distance. Reduce its opacity to around 60%. You might also slightly increase its scale, perhaps to 105%, to make them appear further away and larger. This creates a more realistic sense of space within your composition. For a final touch, let's enhance the visual appeal. Create a new light layer, perhaps a point light, and position it to cast subtle highlights on your bubbles. Consider adding a tint or color balance effect to give your bubbles a specific hue, like a light blue. Adjust the blending mode of your bubble layers to screen or add for a brighter, more ethereal look. These steps will make your bubble effect truly pop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.